Hello everybody, how's it going? And welcome to my new tab page. So I just realized, right, MCreator, I don't actually have it installed, like, on this computer right now. So we're installing MCreator real quick. Also, Nolan Animates asked how to do it. So, mcreator.net, download MCreator, download the exe installer. We're gonna do that right now real quick. Next to continue, I agree, install, and that should be it. We're doing this all the way from the start, everyone. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Hello, Nolan Animates, Dr. Logic, Massive Mama. I am not gonna be able to say that name. Zoom Boom, welcome to the stream. Chord A Firebot, that's probably what it is. Alright, new workspace. I'm gonna call this, I guess, RPG class system. I don't really know what to call it. Forge 1.19, yeah, that's probably fine. I'm gonna do, ModMonster. I have a separate folder for this in here. Sorry I didn't do this beforehand. That was probably a mistake, but whatever. You gotta watch me create an MCreator workspace. Create! Shoot, I forgot that, I forgot about this part. It has to, like, set up Gradle and everything. That's fine. This shouldn't take too long. Hopefully not. Anyway, let's see. I just got my braces off. Good for you. Congratulations. I can't watch the stream right now. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in. I shall see you later, I guess. Make an RPG in Blender or Blockbench. Yeah, I should explain my idea here real quick. So, basically, you're gonna have, let's do, some crude MS Paint drawings. So, we're gonna have, a menu when you start the game. Probably. Maybe not. So you're going to start as a regular Minecraft character, but then you're going to be able to find some sort of object or do some sort of, like, ritual or something, and then you'll be able to get sort of infused, I guess, with a power of certain mobs. So I'm thinking, like, you could have a creeper where you can, if you take yourself plus a creeper, right, and you infuse it together, explosion, this is an explosion, then you will be merged together and you'll be like a creeper person who can then explode at will without doing damage. So each thing has, like, a superpower, sort of. That's what I'm thinking. The tutorials really helped me, thanks. Glad I could help. I'm glad so many people have watched my tutorials and enjoyed them. Great art, thank you. You can tell I'm very good at this. So yeah, we have to find something to do. This takes a while usually to set up everything, but it's chugging along. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm thinking, let's make a list of different Let's start a new workspace and make a little to-do list here. And I'm thinking we have some certain classes like creeper, fish, blaze would be cool. I'm thinking like Enderman, maybe a chicken, so like slow falling. I'm wondering what else you could do. Does anybody have ideas? Like, shulker maybe? Let me look up Minecraft mobs, not Minecraft mods. Minecraft mobs. Let's see what it comes up with. I think my computer might be struggling here a little bit, because MCreator, compiling and everything, and also I'm streaming at the same time. Apologies for any lag. Oh yeah, there's lag going on. Oh, there's lag going on. Shouldn't number one be go to art school? Yeah, I am bad at art. I am bad at art. Let's see. So, list of mobs. Cat, maybe you could scare away a creeper. I don't know. They don't have to be, like, real, either. Pufferfish, you give poison to, like, everything around you. Pufferfish, I think that's a good starting point. Okay, build successful, so we're just about done. This is a good starting point for different things we can do. Make an RPG as a ranged item. I don't think that... We're not making a rocket launcher. We're making, a system where you can, like... play as these mobs and get their powers, like superpowers. Like I was saying, we're not making rocket launchers. Yeah, I really apologize that we didn't do this beforehand. I don't know if there's any like art or anything that I can make. Dolphin swim faster. That's a really good one. Dolphin. Fish can breathe underwater, but dolphin can swim faster. Let's do that. Warden. So you don't, that's good. So you can't see. Permanent blindness, but, you can, shoot sonic beam things. That's good. So hold on. That is what they do, right? So you can't see, but you can shoot. I believe that's what they do. Yeah, they shoot this sonic boom thing. And that does a lot of damage. Apparently to a little chicken. Poor chicken. Cool. That's a really good one. Yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, we have several ideas. Oh, it's done. Okay, it's done. Endermite. Aggravate all near Enderman. That sounds like a really bad one. I wonder if we could do one for, like, every mob. I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. So, I'm not entirely sure how we're gonna even make this whole system. For now, I think I'm gonna make an item which will set you to 1. So, first, which one do we want to do first? Blaze. Blaze would be fun, because Blaze, you should be immune to fire, and you should also be able to shoot fireballs. So I'm gonna do a Blaze Blaze class. Let's call it a Blaze transform. So you'll transform into a Blaze. So I'm gonna get a Blaze spawn egg. This is the spawn egg. So we're gonna make some art here. Let's take some colors from this Blaze egg, and we will, hold on. And we can probably modify this a little bit. Not entirely sure. I don't think this is actually the right texture. Crap. All right, whatever. Very good power. I don't know why you would want to do that though. Maybe if you were building like an Enderman farm, that would be handy, but otherwise I can't really think why you would want to aggravate them. Okay, so this is a Blaze spawn egg. And I don't know. I want to make... I think for now, we'll just use like a blaze rod. I don't know. I don't really know what to make the texture. Hold on. Maybe a blaze head? Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna take this picture of a blaze head, right? We'll do a 16 by 16, and then we will, I want to make this sort of like a totem, right? Not like a totem, but like, I want it to be like something. Okay, that looks like a tinier blaze. Why did you get all weird? We're going to 8 by 8, nearest neighbor, there. So I'm going to do something like this, and then I want to give it like a little, I want to make it look sort of like a stone tablet. But that's the plan. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that, but it would be cool. It would be cool. Let's see. Is this the most viewers you have ever had? No. We've hit very large viewer counts before. I think we've had 20 plus on MCreator previously. Thank you to everybody who's currently watching. This is sort of a mess right now, unfortunately. But hopefully this ends up looking pretty cool. I think it's starting to look pretty cool already. Use the shards from pots. Oh, I forgot about pots. Hold on. We will. I'm gonna check that out in 1 second, real quick. I'm wondering almost if we took black and we put it like this. Crap. Crap. Okay, that looks like garbage. All right, hold on. Pottery shards, Minecraft. Oh! Yes, that's exactly sort of what I was looking to make. But like more stone. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. I might be able to just yoink some of these. Like straight up. Wither. That's a good one. Wither. This one looks like the warden right there. That looks like the warden. Does it not? I think it does. Do a dark gray instead. That's what I think we're gonna do. I want to take the one that's like probably the easiest to just make blank. This one doesn't look hard to make blank. And then we can combine these two. Alright. Alright. Give me a minute. We're working here. This is working out. So, we have this creeper pottery shard and the angler pottery shard. The fishy shard and the creeper shard. So, yeah. Let's see. I've sort of left Minecraft, so I don't know about this stuff. That zoom in was smooth. The zoom in? Yeah, I just set that effect up recently. I'm pretty proud of it. Okay. I'm gonna, yeah. Hopefully once we make a blank pottery shard, right, we should be able to theoretically copy and paste it over for all of the other different designs. So this, like, this bit, the inside bit is all gonna be this color, I believe. And then we have this, and then we have this. And now up here, sort of, that looks pretty darn good. So now if we grab this and we merge these two together, right? And I can go image, I don't know why my cursor's stuck like this. That's a little weird. Boom, stone tablet. That's not my best texture ever, but hold on. I'm gonna call this a blank transform. I'm calling these transforms because I don't know why. So this one's like a creeper. They're all just really crude drawings, basically. So hold on. What does a blaze look like? What does a blaze look like? It's got like a weird looking like mouth thing. Okay, I'm gonna grab this color and then just sort of go to town. Like this. Like that. I do not claim to be the texturing mastermind, okay? Oh god, that looks awful. This is awful. Okay, what if I just set this to be like blaze colors, right? So blaze colors is like yellow. I don't really like that. Hold on. What if I grab the blaze spawn egg? This is a good idea, actually. We take the blaze spawn egg. I need a PNG. Give me a darn... That's so not correct. You know what? Sure, I'll use this one. We'll take the blaze egg, right? We can nearest neighbor that sucker. Just remove the background real quick. Rasterize. Come on. Okay, there we go. And then we sort of, I know it looks like garbage, but if we sort of pull it down. Oh yeah, that's awful. It looks like, no, I don't know. It doesn't look good. Does anybody have any ideas? Because I know sometimes art suggestions happen. And they end up being really good. I really like these pottery shards. Like, we could just take, like, the creeper one. The spawn egg texture looks like it was from 1980. I know. It looks awful. There's a sniffer down there. Ew. Yeah. Yeah, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. What do we do here? I'm trying to make something that looks half decent. Fireball. That's a good idea. Fire charge. There. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, you have to be that. There. Now you look not awful. Now if I scale it down though, it's gonna start looking awful. Problem is it has to be scaled down. That doesn't look awful. That looks awful. No. Oh my gosh. Stop rotating. I don't want to rotate you. Darn it. People left the stream after seeing that texture. Yeah, go to art school. What if we just made like a blaze rod? You know, I could mess with this for so long. I think what we're gonna do, right, is I'm gonna try and make this as textureless as possible. So what if we don't do items? We do some sort of like different thing, right? Kill the items, make them die. For now, we're gonna do a placeholder texture, which I will make real quick, and y'all will love it. Y'all are gonna love this. There, my placeholder texture. Hold on. There. There it is. Import texture. This is our placeholder texture. It's not gonna stay. Common 1 or 64 is fine. Let's see. Yes, sir. Try the 1.12 texture. Blaze powder. Yeah. You know what? No, we're gonna use this. Not gonna do any of this stuff. Yeah. Is this item a food? Okay, no, no. All right, when right-clicked. So when right-clicked, we're going to say blaze transform activate, right? And this is going to turn us into... It should stay. It's too good. Oh my gosh. No. We'll see. We'll see. I might find a way to get that in there somewhere. My Zoom just stopped working. Rest in peace, I love my zoom. I miss my zoom. I don't know why it's gone, but it works on here, just not on MCreator. Weird. If I hit it in here, my button doesn't work at all. Okay, it doesn't matter. So we're going to do this without zoom because it's distracting me. So when we call this thing, we are going to make a variable for our player, right? So entity nbt. I want to save the current transform of the player, like the current what they're transformed into. So I'm going to set the text tag. Okay, here we go. We're going to say current transform to Blaze. And now, let's just spawn some particles so that we know it works. We'll say 50. 3x3 area, yeah, that's fine. And I want to do the fire particles. Or the blaze. Hold on, what the heck is the fire particles? Let's see real quick. Particle IDs. This one. Flame. Okay, I'm gonna do lava. Lava. There we go. Great. Set the current transform to blaze. Spawn a bunch of particles. Now, what I want to do is I want to make a separate procedure, right? And it's gonna run all the time. So we're gonna say transform active procedure. And we're going to say this runs, what if instead, I'm trying to think how we do this here. So when I want the blaze to stop you from, it should stop you from taking fire damage, and B, it should be able to, B, it should, I like words. B, you should be able to throw fireballs. So what if I say before, we're gonna make a procedure. We're gonna call it blaze transform prevent fire damage. So if we say it triggers before entity is hurt. Now we can say if we're doing an if statement. We're gonna say if the damage type. We have to get the damage type. So I want to say if the damage type is fire. Okay, here we go. So, I'm trying to figure out how to do this here, because I don't know how to disable us from doing damage, basically. Can we do this? I don't think this is an MCreator feature, unfortunately. Alright, fine. We're gonna do a really cheap way. We are going to say fire resistance, potion effect. We're going to add a potion effect. So that would be under entity management, add potion, ambient, no particles, and we're going to say fire resistance. Yes, this is like the worst way to do this ever. We'll set this to be very long. Let's do, yeah, just a bunch of zeros. I might have an idea how. Please do share. Please do share, because if you know, I'm gonna start making Bed Wars ASMR. I'll use my sound for my keyboard and mouse. It's actually not a horrible idea. How to get the damage type. Yes, if you can tell me that, then we'll use that, because that's a lot better. I'm trying to see if somebody gets damaged by fire. So if somebody takes damage from fire, I want to cancel the damage, right? So, hold on. So, I know we can say when entity, before entity is hurt, and we can cancel. There is a way to cancel, I know this. There is a cancel procedure, cancel event right here. Boom. So this will basically just cancel. This can cancel all the damage that we take, but I just want to check if the damage is from fire. If the damage is from fire, then cancel it. But if it's not from fire, then clearly we don't want to cancel it. Because, yeah. I'm trying to see. Like, there might be something, yeah, we'll save this for now, but we're gonna, okay, so this is good, and this is gonna trigger when we right click it. This will do this, and we'll be ablaze, and now, I want to add a custom keybind, right? So if we hit a button, like, let's say R, we're going to say transform action key. So I'm going to set this by default to R, because that's a good key, I think. Transform action. We're going to put this under key.categories.transforms. I'm going to call this mod transforms now. Yeah, transform action. We'll say run transform action. Save that real quick. And save. Now we have to go to our language files right here and just add key dot... Oh, I don't remember what it was. Hold on, let me check. Key.categories.transforms. Key.categories.transforms. This is how you can do this, basically. If you type in a custom category name, so you want a custom category, and you set this key right here to be that category name, and then we can say transforms. And that way, like, you know, there's the different categories in the controls menu, like there's movement and miscellaneous and gameplay and things like that. Then this is how you can make custom sections and sort of, you know, make them not say key.categories.transforms. If you add this right here, then, you know, it'll actually show something custom. Hopefully that makes sense. So when we run this, we're going to get NVT data from our current entity. So I want to say get the custom text current transform. We're going to say if this equals a blaze, right? If this equals blaze, then we don't need the else. We're gonna say then we're gonna be able to shoot a fireball. But if this isn't blaze, then we're not gonna be able to shoot a fireball. So I'm gonna say fireball or spawn fireball. How do you spawn a fireball? There must be a thing here. Entity management, like, where's the thing to spawn an entity? Because we could just spawn the fireball as an entity. Okay, here we go. Fireball of type. Shoot. There we go. Shoot fireball. This is going to be a small fireball. Shooter is the event target entity. With speed 1 and accuracy 0. Sure. So that will shoot a fireball when we are ablaze. That should be fine. Save and keep open. Okay, great. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's add a I'm actually going to make a command to be able to basically set my transform. So, slash transform set. We're going to need, I got to see real quick what level. So, the same level that gets slash game mode. Yeah, that's probably accurate. So, level 2. So we're going to... Sure, accept any parameter and call a new procedure, which is going to be set transform. Hopefully this isn't too confusing right now, because I'm a little confused myself, so it probably is. So there we go, set transform. We're going to say, I believe there's a get parameter, presumably. What is this here? All right, so there should be a way. I'm busy struggling with procedures. Because this is going to, let's see. Send a message to a player. Whoa, okay, yeah. So we need a string of type single word parameter transform. So then we will call procedure. We will then call the set transform procedure. So how do I get parameters now? Hold on. Whoa, I butchered that. Okay, so parameters. All right, let's see. How do I get the parameters in a procedure, though? Full screen's unavailable. Great. Oh, it's right. Oh my gosh, it's right under here. Get command message parameter transform. So now we can just say if this equals blaze, right? If this equals blaze, then we will call the procedure. Where's procedure? How do we call the procedure? Advanced. There we go. Call procedure. Blaze transform activate. Let's do a else if, and we'll say if this is disable, we're gonna just disable. We're gonna make a new procedure and we're gonna call this transform disable. And this will just set our custom NBT text of current transform to none, I guess. Sure. So now in our transform command, we can call our transform disable. All right, everybody, I think we're ready for the first test. So basically when we I'm going to delete this item because I don't want that item. When we run slash transform set blaze, it should spawn these particles, give us infinite fire resistance, and allow us to shoot fireballs. If we do set transform disable, we should lose all of that. Just saving everything to make sure this works. Snowman shoots snowballs and dies in the nether. Snowballs? Yeah, that's good. Snowman shoots snowballs, dies in the nether. Okay, here we are. I gotta real quick mess with all this because whoa, it's not what I meant to hit, because we just updated, or not updated, but because this is a different profile obviously than I usually play on. That should be fine. Down here, transform action, R. So we see that worked. We can call this testing world. Cheats on. Yeah, that's fine. Auto jump is off, yes. Otherwise, that would be a nightmare, and I would die. And I would die. And I would die. Alright, here we go. What is this skin? What the heck? I gotta change my keybinds. I forgot about all of them. There we go. What is this skin, though? Is this like a custom MCreator skin, or did they just change the default skin? That is weird. Okay, anyway. Whoa! Okay, I haven't played Minecraft in so long. Nice. Alright, transform set. We can say, Blaze. An unexpected error occurred. Okay, what was that error? What was that error? I see no error. Are you sure? Yes. Bean. If I type transform set bean, it doesn't work. Okay, hold on. Why? It doesn't work, but that makes sense. But if I say transform set blaze, unexpected error occurred. But it won't even tell me what the error is in the logs. Like, all this stuff isn't my problem. None of this seems to be my... Well, this is my problem. This is my problem. Is my mod loaded? Surely my mod is loaded, right? They added a bunch of new default skins. Okay, there you go. That's nuts. Did not know that. Okay, my mod is loaded, so why are you like this? I did not know I was gonna be having large issues today. I think I have to watch a video on MCreator commands, because I don't get this in the slightest. This music basically sums up how I'm feeling. Okay, so what is he doing here? So when I summon a pig, and you say display name, okay. Okay. So he made that. How? We say a message parameter and an entity parameter. So that's what I have here. I want a message parameter, I guess. Message parameter transform. Save that real quick. And set transform. Yeah, because we were using the name and we were getting the message. So that's obviously why that didn't work. That's why that didn't work. Because we were trying to get a parameter that wasn't there. That's me being stupid. I have not used this new MCreator command system. I told you, I have not touched MCreator since like 2021.3. Maybe I touched 2022 point something. I probably did. Either way, I have... Yeah, I haven't in a long time. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh, I saw the particles. There we go. Okay, we are now ablaze. We have fire resistance for 83 hours. We will look at that in a sec because it's not... I don't want to use fire resistance. I want to use actual stuff. Cut down my render distance real quick. And we can shoot fireballs. Which kind of just freeze. Okay, I don't know why they're not... I don't know why they stop after a while. They should keep going forever. But we can shoot fireballs. This is good. This is progress. This is progress. 83 hours is not high enough. I know. It should, I'm not gonna use that system anyway. That's just temporary. Okay, so we got a long way to go even for the blaze. So this is because of acceleration. Hold on. I gotta look this up again. Shoot a fireball in MCreator. Okay, cool. I'm gonna actually read this because I don't really want to watch a video. Basically, I need to just set up a system that... Whoa, that is advanced. Okay.
Yeah, by increasing the speed.
Alright, let me see, bud.
I try to hit that.
Are you supposed to hit them? Wait, what? Are you supposed to hit them? Maybe. Like, why is it slowing down? I mean, yeah, we're not giving it acceleration. If I put acceleration 1 on everything, it's going to make it go in the same direction every time. That's not going to work. But we'll see. I don't know if anybody has any ideas, but I'm not sure why that happens. Cool if anybody else, if anybody else knows, but if not, then this won't work. I know for a fact this won't work. Because it won't. See, it just goes... I mean, it's going, but it's going always that way. It'll always go that way. Bye-bye. See you later, fireballs. Yeah, no, you're not even able to punch these, because these are the small fireballs. How does a fire charge work, then? Because you can throw fire charges. Wait, you can't throw fire charges? You cannot throw fire charges. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. That is true, too. We can just give fire resistance repeatedly. That's probably a better idea, honestly. So if we do that real quick, and we add a procedure, and we say blaze transform active. Now we say if we have to say if, because I can't copy this from procedure to procedure, which is really annoying. That should be a feature. Yeah, no, it's not. Okay. If, can I export? Hold on. Yep, never mind. You can just do that. All right, so if we're ablaze, then we will fire resistance. We have to add a potion. I don't know why I keep searching fire resistance. It's obviously not going to work. I have to basically add potion. Fire resistance. Level 0, because that's like that. For, let's do 15. Yeah, 15 times 60. Why not? 900 ticks. Ambient true, particles true. And we're going to say when unloaded entity tick update. I believe that should... On player tick update, that's better. This is only running for players because we can't... The other one would run for every entity, but now this is only going to run for players. That way, we're not going to waste calling this, because entities like pigs and stuff are never going to be able to have a transform, right? Only players. So this way we're only looping through all the players. And we're not worrying about everything else. Okay. So I have fire resistance now. Let me real quick transform set disable. And I never actually made it remove my fire resistance. There we go. 45. Okay, accidentally times 60. Yeah, that's dumb. It's not times 60. It's times 20. So there we go. I have it for 45 seconds. And I believe... yeah, I'm totally fine. I mean, obviously I am. I have fire resistance. So this is the blaze ability. I forgot the fireballs still do that. So I'm thinking, what if we make it so once the fireball stops, it just dies, right? I think that's what we'll do. Also, I'm gonna make this this class, this transform, I'm gonna make it take damage in water. That'd be fun. That'd be fun. So this should be 300 instead. Okay, so that works. You know what? Why is it even 300? Why isn't it something super low? Hold on. If we set this to like 20, that would, then as soon as we lose the transform, we'll stop getting that. That's better. Okay, so if we say no acceleration and it shoots it, then what we're gonna have to do, let's do speed of 2. Does this, can I now say, basically to, stop the fireball when it dies? Make a whole new fireball entity. I don't think we're gonna do that. I mean, I could live with it. Potentially. Potentially. Very much potentially, we could just live with it. I don't want to run a server. No, stop. I hit the wrong button. I could make a whole new fireball. Like, that would suck, and I would not want to do it. But I think another way we could do it is fireball command. Shoot fireball from player command. We could use commands. Right? And if we use commands instead, in order to... Yeah, because I don't like how it just sort of slows down and also stops eventually. Like that's not gonna fly. So I want to make a, we're gonna use a command here, basically, right? Let's find commands like this. Like that's, I believe, the command we want to use. That's not the command we want to use. Yeah, we have to set, it would be less janky than the commands. Fireball 2 is better. I don't want to recode the entire fireball. Plus, then if you're doing like, execute, as at E type equals fireball, like if you're running commands and stuff with that, or data packs and things that stop fireballs from existing, then it just wouldn't work anymore. I'm using the original fireball, although I think that solution would work, unless I can't find a command. Okay, yeah. Like, clearly it's possible. Hold on a second. How do blazes even work? Shoot me, idiot. No, their fireballs go forever. That's what I thought. That is what I thought. Bro. Why is it not working? That's weird. It just acts damaged. You can't slash kill blazes, really? That's so weird. No, never mind. I created that one thing to stop damage from ever being taken. To stop you from ever taking damage. Remember that? Remember when I created that? Yeah, that's coming back to bite me because I can't get rid of this blaze. See? He should be killing me right now. I have no armor. I don't know where it actually is, though. Where's the code for that? It's in here somewhere. Here. Cancel fire damage. That's the problem. Yes. Okay, so I have to, set fireball speed, shoot fireball from, yeah, I don't know. I actually don't know what you would do for commands. If I set the direction, I want the direction to basically be the same direction. Yeah, I want it to be the same direction, like coming out of the player, basically.
If we do, because it's summoning right there, using to, it's not.
Okay, there we go.
Doing it, but it works like a charm. I said it's incredibly simple. It's a way of doing it, but it.
How did he make it move?
But it works. Why fix it?
Okay, he didn't. Wow. Yes, this is what we're doing. We are looking through videos. No, everybody's just spawning them and punching them. I don't like that, though. I just don't. Like, blazes just sort of shoot them. But the problem is the acceleration is 0. So... So it doesn't work, right? Because, it doesn't work because we're doing this. We could maybe do an arrow that's on fire. That could work. Technically. I mean, I would not like that. I would not like to have to do that. But, to keep this going, I might just have to, do this, right? We might just have to do this. I'm not that upset, like, obviously I'm not trying to make, like, a commercial mod here. I'm trying to just have a little fun. So I don't really mind if it's, like, kind of jank. So shooting arrows sort of works. And they kind of look like fireballs. But also, they're arrows and they stick around and they, like, don't... Like... Oh gosh, that hurts. Oh, the fire resistance is working. But, they don't... Like, yeah, they don't work right. I'm gonna switch back to the fireball and we're gonna just leave it. We're just gonna leave it at that. Like I say, I'm not that upset. Save that. Save that. And the blaze transform, I believe, is done. So now we have to figure out a way to actually activate it without, without using our command. So what I think we're going to do here... I don't know why that flashed. What I think we're going to do here is, like, Let me load up the game real quick once again. It doesn't take that long, luckily. Because, I mean, it's a small mod for now. I want to sort of build something in-game. And it's going to be like some sort of, like, ritual or something. I'm thinking you sacrifice the mob you want to turn into, right? Did I find a solution? No, we're just going to stick with the scuffed fireballs. I'm not that upset. I could figure it out if I... Whoa. If I spent, long enough. Yeah, if I spent long enough, I could figure it out, but... Like, it lights fires, right? That's what you're using it for. Or hitting mobs with it. I could also probably do it with, a large fireball. But, I don't wanna. We're just gonna stick with this for now. Summon fireball? No, that just, that just spawns a fireball that disappears after a bit. It doesn't move or anything. Bye. Okay, so. Well, let's build this, like, ritual thing. I'm thinking redstone. We get, like, the 2016, like, summoning Herobrine going on in here. Netherrack. Like, we're going full on, we're going full on... Yes, you just joined and hear the word sacrifice. Exactly. We are sacrificing things here on this channel, everybody. So what if you surround... You do this. And then, you build this structure, right? I don't know how I'm gonna implement this, actually. Never mind. What if we... Okay, never mind. I have an idea. So we do this, and then on top we put a custom block. Right? Okay, I have a better idea. An even better idea. We have a block, right? Imagine this is a custom block, and this custom block is going to... This custom block, when you right-click it, right? You will have to bring a mob, whichever mob you want to transform into, right? You'll take the mob, and you'll have to bring it over this way. Come here, buddy. Bring it over to the block. You have to bring it within like 5 blocks or something. Once it's here, you right-click on the block. The cow gets struck by lightning until it dies, and then you turn into the cow. That's the plan. That's how we're gonna do this. It's scary, it's epic, and it's beautiful. We're gonna make this work. So we're gonna add a new block. I'm gonna call this the sacrificial murder block. The sacrificial murder block. The bottom face is going to be this texture that everybody wanted me to use so much. And the rest of it is going to be, like, truly horrifying. I'm thinking we whip out the old block bench and we retexture a shulk sensor. A skulk sensor. That's what I'm thinking we do. That's what I think we're gonna do here. So let's do Java block. Y'all like the old block bench, right? We're gonna call this the sacrifice. I cannot spell. Let's just call this murder block.json. There we go. So I have to open model. Somewhere here I have somewhere here I'll have a model. Because I have hold on. If you go into your Minecraft folder and we go to versions and we go to our 1.19, I believe we're on 1.19.4, but 2 will be fine. We open it the jar file. Now inside here, assets, Minecraft models, block. We should have a shulk sensor in here. Skulk sensor. I cannot say skulk sensor. It's an issue. Here we go. Skulk. Maybe it's the shrieker. Hold on. That I was thinking of. I always forget they exist. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. That looks a lot more sacrificial murder than the other one. The sensor is just kind of tame, honestly. All right, let's plop that into our downloads, and I'm going to import this. Skulk Shrieker. Frick. Okay. This is template Skulk Shrieker. We got to follow it. We got to follow it down. Oh my gosh. Now we need the textures. This is actually annoying. Okay, so we have block. Under textures, block, Skulk Shrieker bottom. Where's Skulk Shrieker bottom? Here we go. Skulk Shrieker top, bottom, inner top. Yeah, let's grab all of these. I just put them in a random folder. Shoot. Import texture. Okay, can I change file? There we go. Skulk Shrieker bottom. Skulk Shrieker side. Alright, it's coming together. Skulk Shrieker top. And Skulk Shrieker inner top. Cool. So this is a skulk sensor, right? We don't even need block bench for this because I'm literally just copying this. We're going to come into... Actually, we could edit it in block bench. That would maybe be easier. But I was thinking we just recolor this to like red, right? Wait, when? How? What? I'm an hour late. You started at noon? Oh yeah, I forgot. You're an hour earlier in my time zone. It is currently 2:00 p.m. where I am. He's doing Mega Hacker. Yeah, I'm making a Minecraft mod. This is the Skulk This is the Skulk Shrieker. So we're gonna just recolor the Skulk Shrieker, I think. Give me my Photoshop, and we're just gonna do the laziest thing ever. AKA, grab all of these. Actually, are these textures different sizes? Oh yeah, because this thing's animated. Okay, we'll have to do this one separately. But everything else, I believe, is fine. So we can just image adjustments, hue saturation. One more time. And I'm gonna preview it on the top, probably. And I just want to make this look red and murderous. Like it's gonna kill me and my whole family. I think that fits the bill very much. I don't even think we have to do anything with that, just like right there. That looks like it wants to kill my family. Let's see what this looks like. We can preview it in a minute. I did -176. Alright, all of this stuff looks like it's gonna kill my family. I'm gonna call this the murder block inner top. This is the murder block side. This is the murder block top. This is the murder block bottom, I believe. Okay. Let's see. Why didn't you tell me you were going to stream at noon? I posted about it. I said 1 p.m. Eastern. I said 1 p.m. Eastern. Why is Nolan green? I'm special. Nolan is a channel member. Let's all say thank you, Nolan, for giving me money. Thank you, Nolan, for giving me money. Okay, import our JSON model template Skulk Shrieker. So we're going to import a bunch of textures now. So we have just all of these. Inner top, this one. Side, this one. top, this one, bottom, this one. Save. Okay. Set the model to our template Skulk Shrieker. And we'll set our main texture to be this one. Not that, this. You goober, I'm gonna become a member too and fight you. Yes, please! Bet, let's go. Piper versus Nolan, and I get all the money. Mwahaha. I'm just kidding. I'm not actually a bad person who's only interested in money. It's just funny sometimes when I talk about it. Like, when I talk about money. Sometimes it's not that funny. So, Skulk Shrieker, right? I'm gonna make the hitbox just be the bottom. I don't actually know how they do the hitbox in the actual Skulk Shrieker, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 blocks tall. So max Y chord 7. Properties, I'm gonna call this the sacrificial murder block. Is this how you spell sacrificial? Yeah, Piper, we're making sacrificial murder blocks now. Lizzie Skulk. Let's put this under functional blocks, sure. Skulk Shrieker hardness resistance. You're lucky I can't actually buy it right now. Oh no, you can't let Nolan win. He's got the grass block. Nolan is trying to be the first one to get a beacon. He's trying to be the first one to get a beacon. So you have to use a hoe? I'm gonna make mine a pickaxe. I'm gonna make it a bit harder and more resistant. Slipperiness, you're fine. Let's make you jump higher on it because that's weird and I like weird in my weird blocks that are intentionally weird. Gravity? Yeah, sure, why not? Can walk through the block. No. Custom drop, yeah, it can drop itself. You need pickaxe level, yeah, you need a stone picked. You need an iron, nah, you need a stone to mine this. Is unbreakable? No. It's gonna sound like Skulk because Skulk is creepy as heck. Alright, advanced properties, that's all fine, this is all fine. Triggers, on block right clicked. We're gonna say, sacrifice nearest animal. That's literally what I'm calling it. Sacrifice nearest animal. That's the plan. Soon I become wood. Hey, stop pressing hearts. Those are mine. How do you add food? There's no more food in here. You just add an item and there's an option to mark it as food. So I'm gonna say add food. Oh my gosh. We're sacrificing animals here. We're not adding food. You know what? How about when you sacrifice the animal, you get food? Oh dear. This is horrible. Get nearest entity. At size XYZ of type. I don't want that. I just want to get the nearest entity. Hold on. Where is this from? Maybe world data? Get nearest entity. Can I just leave the type blank? Actually, hold on. Let's do blaze. That way we'll do a blaze and then we can just keep on going. Right? So we'll say if this doesn't equal null, basically. So if it doesn't equal, or that should be I want a null check. There is a null check here somewhere. Hold on. MCreator moment? I know, MCreator moment. How do you check if, what if you sacrifice the wrong animal? Yep, you could sacrifice the wrong animal. There we go. If it equals no entity. If it doesn't equal no entity, then we will kill this entity. Actually, I want to strike lightning at, how do I get the entity position real quick? There is a way. Here. So I'm going to say, variables. We will set, we're going to set an entity variable. I keep picking the wrong one, darn it. Oh my gosh. This color. There, I swear I'm not colorblind. We're going to set, and target entity, which is an entity. So we'll set target, frick you. Why is it not showing up? Oh, because it's weird. Alright, cool. Set target entity to the nearest entity. We will strike lightning at the entity's position, right? X, Y, and Z position of this variable. We are going to strike lightning there. It is going to be the effect only, so this won't actually set fire or do damage. Actually, you know what? That's fine. No, we're going to do that, and then we're going to kill... It can do damage, because it doesn't matter. We're about to kill the entity anyway. Entity management... Despawn. Sure, that works. Despawn the local entity. Alright, so it strikes lightning, despawns it, and then we're going to say activate a procedure. We're going to call the blaze transform activate on the player. There we go. And now we are going to say in chat also, we're going to say, hold on, I got an idea. Let's give blindness to the player. Just to make it terrifying, right? We're trying to make this scary as heck. Like, I want these people to be pooping their pants. Like, they better be terrified of this. So we're going to do, for, yeah, 3 seconds. That's cool. And then title. There's like a title, I don't know if that's a thing that we can get here. Like, we might have to just execute a command. I don't know how to use the title command anymore. So I'm going to look up a generator. I want it to, say, yeah, at S, you have transformed into a blaze. And we're going to bold and highlight this. There we go. Grab this command real quick. Plop it in here. And then we're going to do one more, which is like the just creepiness. Doesn't really matter because we're going to do the obfuscate thing. Not the title bar. We'll do another one, but longer. And that's what you're going to see. And we're going to make it blood red. We'll make this blood red just darker. No, you are blood red. You are blood red, but darker. Yeah, that's accurate. That's accurate. Yeah, people are pooping their pants right now. This is terrifying. This is terrifying. Maybe say sacrifice complete instead of the transform message. Yo, that is good. Ah, I know. Let's put it in the subtitle instead. Sacrifice complete. And then we'll make this all scary like. Sacrifice complete. And it just goes crazy. Oh yeah, that's scary. That's scary. Alright, awesome. I don't know why I wanted to make this a horror thing all of a sudden, but it is funny. So, I don't know if I copied the right one there. Also, is there a way to do this through MCreator? Because if there is, then I would like to not use commands if possible. But we'll see. Alright, I just want to test this. Oh. Blindness. For 3 seconds. That should be fine. And now, it's gonna transform us into a blaze, say sacrifice complete, and everybody's gonna be pooping their pants. It's amazing. I got all I ever wanted for. All I ever wanted. Oh, I never actually saved this block. Crap. Crap. Okay, whatever. Okay. Piper, I request a duel. Is this mod being released to CurseForge? Probably not, because it's very, very scuffed. But I will release it on Google Drive at the end. We shall duel with emojis. Piper sends a knife emoji. Take my thick stick. Yo, Nolan Animate's bringing out the thick stick, thick stick. Piper just stabbed a cat. Rip. Oh, the emojis don't work in my little chat bar down here at the bottom. I'll fix that, maybe. Probably not. Alright. So, it is under, I believe, functional blocks. Here we are, sacrificial murder block. Whoa! That got really cursed! Yeah, that texture is supposed to be animated. This is supposed to have transparency. Is it weird that I almost like it better like this? We will fix it later, though. So right now it's not working because there's no blaze and nothing that's able to be sacrificed. But if we put a blaze here... Okay. But it did not kill the blaze. No, it did kill the blaze. Okay. It did not give me the scary message, though. I wonder why. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Okay, I don't know why. Because it's at S. It should be at P because this is not being triggered by anyone. There we go. Also, despawn, it doesn't play the death sound. So instead of that, we're going to deal like 1,000,000 damage to this entity. And we're going to say type explosion. That'd be cool. There must be a lightning in here, right? Lightning bolt. There we go. So we're basically faking the lightning bolt's damage to be super, super high. All right, let's try and figure out what's happening with the textures. I think we just disabled transparency. So I have to say cutout, I believe. That's... Yes. No, this is fully transparent. And for the animated texture, I think I have to specify it as an animated texture. Like you have to actually get set as an animated texture, but I don't know how to do that. Add frames from animation strip. There we go. Inner top. Add. And that works. This is a block. Murder block. Inner top. 16 by 16. Now we have this one, which is not right. And this one, which... Ah, shoot! I don't know if this is right. I don't know which one... I don't know. I think I deleted the wrong one. Let's just save it again real quick. There, now I know it worked. Okay, great. So now we can come to our model, inner top. Can we not set an animated texture? Or did that set an animated texture? Not entirely sure, but we'll see in a minute, I guess. And if it doesn't... Oh my goodness! Whoa, what happened in chat? I will eat... I will win. Take my thick sticks. I eat your thick sticks. Smary's attack! It burns Smary! This is a high-octane battle. Can you burn the adorable duck? And then I eat the corpses for health! Yes, I can! Choppa attack! I think Piper is dead. Giant cat, go eat the choppas! We win! Giant cats, eat your choppas. Oh, that's hilarious. You should make the blindness longer. Yeah, we'll see. Now, once it... Oh, there, it's animating. Alright. It actually works now. I love how it's called a sacrificial murder block. I'm not even going to change that. So I'm going to transform set disable real quick. So I have no transform right now. If I spawn the blaze in and I hit the... And I right click on the block, it should now kill this thing, give me the message, and turn me into a blaze. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. That's the good stuff. So now... Yeah, the blindness is not long enough. Let's triple that. 180. 180. Let's try 180. That kills the blaze. One other thing I want to do for ambiance, right? When you put a sacrificable animal next to this thing, it should start, like, smoking. Like, I want it to just, like, go crazy. Right? So, client display random tick. And we're going to say, murder block smoke when, ready. Sure. So now we're going to say, if, and I'm going to, once again, do this thing, where I just copy it. There should be a better way to copy it, but I'm not going to complain. So if that's possible, if it's not empty, then we're going to do particles. And we're going to say like a, yeah, like a 1 by 1 by 1 area, probably-ish. And we're going to say smoke. Actually, hold on. Let me look up all the Minecraft particles. Let's see. All the way to the top we go. We're going to look and we're going to find something terrifying. I'm thinking like ash, maybe? Maybe like dust, like the redstone dust. Hold on. Dust. Redstone? How do I do it? I thought it was called redstone. Or dust. I'm not sure. Let's do like lava. I don't know. We're gonna be experimenting a lot here. Alright, let's see. Make the lightning strike the player. Ooh, I like that, but I'm not gonna make it do damage. So, yeah, I don't want it to hurt you. Because it's like giving you stuff. In fact, for symbolism, let's heal the player. So the lightning heals you to full health. Yeah, there we go. I was the first person ever to give ModMonster money. That's not true, actually. I've had donations before. On a different service. You're the first super chatter, though. You copy me. Look at my name. I have more power than everyone here. Dude, your power... We got Power hungry Nolan in the chat. Green is the color of disgust, though. I can't change it. If I could change it, then I would. Green is also the color of Zyper, so you bad. Oh boy. Maybe enchanting table. Yeah, that's true. That's true. We could enchanting table in a minute. Shut up. You were green, and yet you will still eventually buy it. Ha 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 ha. Does the color of the text change? No, it does not, I don't think. That is super honkin' cool. The blindness is a little too long now. Let's try like 140. What was the other thing I changed again? Oh yeah, the smoke. I want that particle. That's the particle I wanted, the one that's coming off the blaze. Okay, it's not working. Come back, Blaze. I want to sacrifice you too. Buddy. Get over here. I want to sacrifice you! Okay, anyway. Give me mod, please. I will, once this is done. Once it's done, I'm gonna upload it in the comments. I will do that. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is random. No, this is not every tick. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I need the update tick right here. I saw a tick, and I figured that was the right one, but it was not. I've switched to enchanting table, though, because I think it might look cooler. We shall see. We shall see. Alright. Hour and a half in. I have to leave at 3:30. I have to stop streaming at 3:30. So we have about an hour left. Give me moderator too. Oh, give me mod. I'm not giving you guys mod. I would sooner give Nolan mod. Ooh, village. Okay, that's still not working. Still not working. Naturally spawned blocks will only tick if random ticking is used for performance reasons. Oh, did we not enable ticking? No, we disabled automatic ticking. Let's do like 5. Obviously, you normally don't need ticking on blocks. You don't need them to tick at all, but this one does because it's gonna spawn particles. I demand it. I will unsub if you don't. I'm not. Wow, mod hates his fans. I'm not giving my. I'm not giving my fans mod. I don't hate you. I love you all. You're all amazing. Let's pour test. Please don't pour test. I would not like it if you pour tested. Okay, it's still not working, and I can't sacrifice anything either. Never mind. Oh, there they are. There's the particles. Hey, go away, blindness. There's the particles. That is cool. I don't know if the enchanting table really fits. I'm going to switch back to lava. We're going to set this to 120. Or I never saved this, did I? Let's set it to 120. Save and keep open. I'm going to set you to lava. Once again. Oh no, we want mod. We want mod. Give mod. We want mod. Give us. I will time you out. We need mod. It's literally just spamming in chat. Exactly. I will time you guys out. I will time you all out. Okay, this is your last warning. And I know there's like 30 seconds of stream delay, so I will wait. We want mod. ModMonster, make an Andy gun. I'm pretty sure I've already done that. Oh yeah, that's terrifying. Oh, I love that. That is scary as honk. Oh, that's good. That is good. This guy's too far away to be sacrificed. Yeah, okay, the sacrifice distance is way too close. Let's go like 6. Let's do 8. Because some of these are going to be pretty dang hard to actually get in the right place, I think. I will stop now. Thank you. Make it smoke out the top. That's a good idea. Okay, hold on. What is the smoke effect? Like, it's a blaze. It's from a blaze. Large smoke. Okay. That's a good idea. We're gonna do Y+1. That'll put it out the top. That is a genius. We'll spawn just one particle. What if there are 2 blazes near it? It will sacrifice whichever one it wants, I guess. Probably the nearest one, honestly. Probably the nearest one. Why is it taking so long? Oh, because Minecraft is still open. It's not compiling. The game is still open. I was thinking also maybe only start the swirling animation when it's active. Like when there's something near it. But we're just going to try like this for now. See what happens. Y+1 would put it above the block. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Maybe I should start at like plus like 0.6 because I want it to potentially just want to make sure that still works. There we go. Kill all the blazes. Whoa! They're flying everywhere. That is not what I wanted. Speed 0. Speed 0. I forgot to set speed to 0, everyone. Bye-bye, Massive Mama. See you later. By the way, yeah, I've said this already, but we're getting I'm gonna upload this mod and stick it in the description so everybody can play it once we're done. This mod is for 1.19.4. I should have maybe done 1.19.2 because nobody's ever played on 1.19.4, I don't think. At least for mods. Oh yeah, there we go. Now, unfortunately, it's on like the side of the block. I still think that's cool though. If it was something, crap, I opened the wrong program. If it was something other than a blaze, then it would probably work better. Yeah, I told you, I clicked the wrong thing. Frick off. Okay, 0.5. 0.5. That should work. Okay. Sacrificial murder block done. We can sacrifice things, we can murder them. This is beautiful. It's amazing, everyone. Idea, you should have 2 advancements. Sacrificial pawn and please the gods. One is where you sacrifice one of any mob that can be sacrificed, and another one where you sacrifice all the mobs at the same time that can be sacrificed. That is a good idea. That is a really good idea. Advancement for sacrificing stuff would be so cool. Exactly. Exactly. Add advancement, we're gonna call it, sacrificial pawn. I like that one. Sacrificial pawn. Sacrifice any animal or monster. Let's say, let's just set it to be the sacrificial murder block. Parent. Yeah, it can be on its own track, I guess. So now we're gonna say custom trigger. And now when we sacrifice nearest animal, we're going to give advancement. Add advancement sacrificial pawn to the target entity. Show toast when completed. Yeah, this is all fine. So this, the type or the root. Hold on. I think I might want to put this after we need a recipe for this anyway. We'll come back to that in a minute. So murder block recipe. We're gonna say this makes a sacrificial murder block, and it's gonna be crafted with, I guess, what do you think a good recipe would be? Probably some netherrack in here, because like it's very dark and scary. That's another word block. Netherrack. Possibly like echo shards, because like yeah, those are things. Red dye. Well, let's do redstone. Quartz. And gold ingots. This recipe is all over the place, but yeah, maybe it's a little too all over the place. Meh, whatever. So this requires very much nether stuff. So let's add a I want to maybe parent this to like the nether potentially. So we could say nether / root. A shulk sensor. Yes, we could do that. So what if instead down here we had that's a better idea. Yeah, I don't like this recipe at all. So we have to take a skulk sensor, basically make it evil. So we take a skulk sensor. I think, yeah, redstone is good. And maybe just a netherrack base. It's a little cheap, honestly. But also, it's going to be kind of hard to get the animal. But you could just place it beside anything else. How do you even make a shulk sensor? A skulk sensor. Darn it. I can't say it. I literally can't say it. You have to mine it. Okay, this could... It should be the Shrieker. Can you get the Shulk Shriekers? Skulk Shriekers? Can you get them? You have to mine it with Silk Touch, I think. That makes it hard to get if you have to mine it with Silk Touch. Alright, so you have to find a deep dark then, and you have to mine it with Silk Touch. That's good. Also, when you sacrifice the animal, I want to basically destroy the block also. I want to delete the block. Basically. So you can only use it once. And also particles. Yeah, we don't need particles. We'll just delete the block. Strike lightning on the block and delete the block. So now you can only use it once. Oh, you're giving me a recipe. Hold on, let me go back here. Red dye with some red netherrack. One red dye in the middle. In the top middle. One red dye. Yeah, that's a good idea. So we have red dye, redstone, shrieker, and netherrack. That's a good recipe, I think. So now we have a crafting recipe. We have our sacrificial pawn. Now I also want to create another advancement. We're going to call this Please the Gods, I believe. Please the Gods. Sacrifice one of every animal. So, I'm just going to make like a spawn egg for like a wither skeleton, because that looks cool. The root, yeah, sacrificial pawn. Custom trigger, I guess, because this thing has to basically when we sacrifice an animal, we have to store a list now of the sacrificed animals. Right? And now if all of the advancements, if all of the things have been sacrificed, then we go. I like how this went from a wholesome class system to sacrificing animals. Yeah. How is it a class system? Because the classes are the different, they're the different, like you, when you get blaze powers, when you turn into a blaze. I think we're going to leave this advancement now, because it might be a little complicated. But I'm going to keep this one. We're going to make another class now. So, blaze is done. I want to do creeper, because I think it'd be fun. But I also don't. I don't know. Enderman. Let's do Enderman. Enderman would be easy. So, this is easy enough. We just need, this, this is the same. So we can honestly, hold on, export this procedure. And we don't need this procedure anymore. The transform activate. Because for set transform right here, we can just import this block. Save that. And when we sacrifice the animal, instead, get out of here. Instead of doing that, we can import, save that. Transform set command, what's your issue? I see no issue. Okay. Cool, so now, a different transform. I want to do an else if the transform is Enderman. Then we'll set this to Enderman. And now when we are in Enderman, I'm going to duplicate the, or not duplicate, we're going to do the run transform action. So we'll say else if we are a Enderman, we will shoot a Ender Pearl as this entity. Speed of 1, I guess. So now you get just infinite Ender Pearls. That's basically the ability that comes with Enderman, which is a pretty good one, honestly. So when we do this, we need to create a whole thing now for when you sacrifice this animal. So most of this is the same. The only thing that's different is going to be this text that says you have transformed into a, and it's going to be basically whatever you transform into. And then, yeah, this code right here. So these two blocks are the only things that are different. So what we can just say, we can add a variable, make this a, I think logic is yes or no, I believe. So we can just say success. Now we can, variables, set success to true. And then we do a whole other thing. We just say if success is true, if it was a success, then we run all that. So now we can just plop this in here, and we have a whole lot. This is a whole lot easier. So we can say if this is an Enderman, then we'll set success to true, run this command, set the current transform to Enderman, and say you have transformed into a Enderman. Except this should be and, because grammar. There. And now instead of gold color, I'm gonna do, hold on. 1. 1 is good. So I believe, hold on. I gotta find the name. Dark blue. You've transformed into an Enderman. So now we should have Enderman. You should press R and then teleport to wherever you're looking. Oh, so not like throwing an Ender Pearl, just you teleport straight there. That is a good idea. I'll check that. I'll check that out. Well, if this works, then we might change it. I don't think shooting ender pearls teleports unless thrown with an item. Well, we're about to see. Because I set the thrower when you do it. I set the shooter to the target entity, so I'm pretty sure it should work. Hold on, let's kill at E type equals blaze. What was that one that said forge? Oh, okay. I want to summon an Enderman. Sacrifice him. Did my game just crash when I tried to sacrifice an Enderman? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Why did that happen? Sacrifice nearest animal procedure crashed. Yeah, we know it crashed. Is success not initialized? That could be the problem. Let me read this real quick. Generally you get an issue though. Yeah, what's the issue? Read level because damage is null. Oh, that's tough because I don't know what that actually is. I don't know what that means. Honk. Okay, there's a chance this is just because this wasn't initialized. Also, this number could be way too high. Let's just do 500. Just for safety. We don't need it to do 1,000,000. My ideas are the best. It's confirmed you get a higher IQ if you buy a ModMonster subscription. That is true, everybody. It's scientifically proven. Legally, it's not actually scientifically proven. But don't tell anyone that. It's scientifically proven that buying a ModMonster subscription raises your IQ. You should do it. You should do it right now. Alright. Let's try this again, buddy. What do you say? Frick. No, it crashed again. Does it crash on the blaze too? Or does it only crash on the... Yeah, I don't care. Or does it only crash on the... Because if it crashes on the blaze, then it's this new little system that we set up. If it crashes on the Enderman, then it is not. This new little system we set up. So I guess we're about to see. Let's kill all our Endermen real quick. And if I set transform, or transform set Enderman, yeah, that didn't crash. And we can throw pearls. And it teleports us. So teleporting, so the Enderman transform itself works. Just the sacrificing does not. I got the advancement. Sacrificial pawn. Cool. But that didn't work. The Enderman is the one causing the issues. He crashes. Why does he crash? Nobody knows. That's weird. There's no way that if this command didn't work, it would cause an issue, right? I'm gonna just take this out. Take all this out. So it's not even gonna transform me. It's just going to act like it did. Like, you know, the blindness. Oh, I just realized. Oh no, we do set the target entity. Oh no, because it sets this to type blaze. Okay, that's the issue. We found the issue. So this gets the nearest entity. It sets that entity as the target entity, which we would have to do in here because it's different for everyone. So this one would be an Enderman. And we have to do that for the blaze. that was the issue. So it was obviously undefined. The target entity was undefined, so obviously it didn't know what to do the damage to and what to kill. So that was the issue. It didn't know what to do that to, so it just totally just died. So now we can transform into an Enderman. I am 100% confident this will work, and if it doesn't, I will make Vortex Blender moderator for 2 days. Sorry, Vortex Blender. So we can shoot pearls. Awesome. And if we have a blaze, now we're a blaze, we can no longer shoot pearls, but we shoot fire. Let's go. This is good. And it looks like a war zone. Even better. Awesome. Enderman is probably my favorite. Because pearls. I wish that code errors would be more obvious what they mean. See, it's a lot more obvious when you're actually, like, coding it yourself, but the problem is I have no freaking clue what the heck, well, it's not going to show anymore. There was, like, a variable name, though, and, like, it's not my variable name, so I don't know what it means. Anyway. Yes, Piper, I would have made you a mod, too, if it hadn't worked, but it worked, so it doesn't matter. Alright, Enderman is pretty much done. I think I don't think I'm going to do the teleport where you're looking. I might actually. Hold on. Is that like easy-ish to do? Like, can I get a block that I'm looking at? Not Minecraft. Okay, there is a way to ray trace. Good. How? Aha. Look X position. Look. There we go. So we can do this. We have to do, like, entity data. Look X position, it's probably in here, right? Yeah, look Y position, and look Z position. Set the ray trace distance to something nuts, like, I don't care, like 1,000. Fluid mode, none. Yeah, that's fine. So now, we're going to say, get block at this position. Oh gosh, this is nuts. Get the block at this position. So we'll say if this block doesn't equal... Well, if this is... Can I check if this is an empty block? Is that a thing? It's not. Okay, so... What if we just say teleport to this? So we can say player entity management. There will be a teleport player somewhere here. Set position of, yeah, here we go. Set location of the target entity to X, Y, Z. And I'm going to say Y plus a little bit, because if you look right at a block, I don't want it to teleport you inside a block. That would be stupid. Obviously, right? Okay. So instead of doing this, we'll pull this out here for now. Save that, and we'll see now, hopefully this works. And I'd like to ideally get 1 or 2 more classes done before the end of this stream, which is fast approaching. Warden would be really nice, because I like that idea a lot. Where you're blind, like, that's nuts. That's, like, such a bad debuff, but then also you can shoot lasers. And shooting lasers is like such a good buff, you know? Alright, so I'm currently an Enderman. Whoa! Okay, that one worked. But if you look at like a tree, it teleports you like through a lot of stuff. And you can go super far with this. Whoa! Like, yeah, I mean, technically it works. Maybe I should put a little limit on the distance, though. Like, boop. I don't know. I don't know. This might be... This is a little disorientating. Oh, gosh! I teleported too far, guys. I'm in the Shadow Realm now. Why am I 600 blocks in the air? Bye-bye. We're going back to Ender Pearl. I am not a fan of that. Yeah, I made it a little too far, but like, anyway. No limit, it's so good. I set the ray trace distance to 1,000. I know! It was a mistake. Make a 30-second cooldown. I don't really want to because, like, with pearls, you don't need a cooldown. With the other one, you needed a cooldown, but we're going back to pearls because the other one was so nuts. Alright, chicken. Chicken's easy. Chicken's easy. Let's do chicken now. So, sacrifice nearest animal. We're gonna do a, if... Shoot. Another else if, and we're gonna say if it's a chicken. If it's chicken, success is true. We're going to say, chicken, color, white, grammar, chicken, save it, and now, blaze transform active. I'm gonna say, actually, hold on, this runs on player tick update, so I'm gonna call this, and edit the name, real quick. How do I edit the name of a procedure? Well, I'm not sure I can, so hold on one quick sec. Delete that. Add a procedure on player tick update. Import that, and then on player tick update. So now we're just gonna do else if this is a chicken. We'll do slow falling. Particles should be off. There we go. I'm gonna eat this thick stick and thousands of smash. I'm gonna shoot on tons of attack helicopters and fry a lot of Quaxley. Don't fry Quaxley. Chicken should run faster. That's a good idea too. Just only a little bit though. So we'll say speed 1. Speed level 1. I never saved. Come on. Transform into a camel. You don't have any thirst. Hunger? There's no thirst in Minecraft anyway. Because the humps store water. And... message retracted. Nice. Alright. Load it up, load it up, load it up. Oh yeah, I'm over here now. Alright. Get a chicken. You have transformed into a chicken. There, I can run faster, and I can jump off cliffs and not immediately die. Whee! never mind. Camels don't store water. I know, but it's Minecraft. They could. Yeah, this is a nice one too, because it has like, yeah, all of these are pretty good. All of these are pretty good. Blaze is nice because you're immune to fire, and also because you can do that. But chicken is nice because you can run faster and slow falling, and Enderman is nice because you can teleport. Right? Yeah, I think they're all pretty darn good. Alright, chicken is done. Let's see what else we could do. Transform into a villager. You scam people and are rich. It's surprising how balanced these are. I know. Like, it should... Some of them should be OP. Now we're gonna do Warden, I think. Warden would be fun. And Warden is, really overpowered because he can shoot laser beams, but also he's blind. Which makes... I probably would never use him. But, you know what? Why not, right? Sacrifice nearest animal. This is getting to be a big procedure. Like, a really big. It's not starting to lag, though. Surprising. I don't know if they fixed that, but you get procedures this size, it used to lag, like, horribly. But no, it's chugging along just fine. We're gonna say, I guess, blue for this one. Into the Warden. We'll save type Warden. If you somehow get a Warden, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed if you somehow get a Warden. But this would kill the Warden for you. Is that OP? That it literally kills the Warden if you put it right beside it. Hello, chat. Hello, Prophet. The Prophet. Welcome to the stream. We're wrapping it up. We're finishing up making a couple. Maybe make a way to transform into multiple things at once. I don't know, because then it kind of makes it too overpowered, I think. Do you know you can spectate a Warden in spectator mode, but for some reason you can see. It doesn't even have any screen effect. Wow, I did not know that. Because they like the creeper one, like it alters it and everything. So I don't know. That's weird. So I'm gonna add... Whoa. We're gonna add blindness to the Warden. Which is arguably garbage. Like, arguably. It's very, very bad. Now, I'm not actually sure what code we're gonna do in order to shoot laser beams, but, Rabbits jump higher. Spider can shoot webs. That's a good one. Shoot webs. Sweet. Okay, your tutorials taught me how to use MCreator, not making my first mod. Thank you. Glad I could help. Thanks for watching my series. Glad you're here now. Why snow golem when blaze? That's a good point. See, I'm not really too concerned either with, like, balancing this. I don't even know if we can do the Warden, because I don't know if there's a sonic boom thing in here. Like, I'm not sure. I am not sure. Let's replace Warden with Bat, honestly. I think we're gonna... I don't think we're gonna do Warden. Because then also, I don't like that you can just kill a Warden by putting this beside it. And just using it, you know? I don't really like that. Why chicken when Enderman? Why bat when Enderman? Nolan is sending all the attack helicopters on Piper. I don't know, because because like sometimes you want to fly. Obviously, flying is maybe the most OP here. This is maybe the most OP here. How would you recraft the block if permablind? Exactly. So I want to do on player tick update again. I think this is fine. So now we'll say if or actually, hold on. I don't need that. If current transform is bat, and if it's bat, then we'll say flying. Allow. Okay, that's actually easy. We can just say allow to fly if this is a bat. And we don't need any of this at all. So now if we're a bat, then we are allowed to fly. Make the jail for fungus. Oh, Nolan wanted to put fungus in jail because of the Jenga-y incident. Hold on, we're gonna do this. Jail bars. Yeah, this is off topic as honk, but let's get Fungus's avatar real quick. Save that. Jail bars. There, Fungus. Fungus is in jail now. For crimes against the entire stream. You're gonna sit up there for the rest of the stream. But I'm not Jenga-y, though. Sure you're not. You admitted to it. Didn't you guys say it was Nick? You admitted to it. Basically. Okay, chicken, bat. You said at half health also, which is really cool. So I want to say else if health goes above current health of this is greater than 10, which would be yeah, this is good to balance it, I think. If it's greater than 10 and we're a bat, how do you get an and here? It's in here, I believe. Okay. So if our health is greater than 10 and we're a bat, then we'll set the health to 10. That way our health cannot go above 10 while we are a bat. We know it's you, angry face. Haha, you goobers. Why are we goobers? Put me in jail. Okay, Piper wants to go to jail. So we'll put Piper in jail with Fungus. We're putting Piper in jail too. There. You and Fungus can share cell space. There, you guys are both in jail now together forever. Actually, that's not very cool because Fungus gets friends now. You guys go in separate jails. There, that's better. There, everybody has. Can I be in there too? Okay. Andy Gunn's going to jail as well, everybody. The game now is just how many jails can we get into ModMonster's stream. There. I might be Jenga-y. You weren't even there last time. How could you be Jenga-y? Okay, why can't I sacrifice the bat? Did I not enable sacrificing bats? I guess not, because it's not working. Yeah, I set that to chicken, but it should be bat. Also, the smoking thing, should we need an ore block, because right now it only smokes on a blaze. So we're gonna do, if not, we need 4, because there's 4 right now. Oh, there will be 5, so there we go. Just put everyone in jail. You know what? We're taking everybody here out of jail, because Fungus is the only one who really deserves to be in jail. Can Delirious be with me? No, y'all are gonna try to escape together. I know your secrets. I know your secrets. You're gonna try to use Delirious to escape now that you guys are friends. And the last one we're gonna do, I think, will be a dolphin, because dolphin swimming is fun. So we'll say that. That should work now. We should be able to sacrifice. Okay. I saw Nolan murder a man. Just put everyone in chat in jail. No, I'm not putting everyone in jail. Fungus is the only one that deserves to be in jail. Because, yeah, he's escaped the bars. No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. At least let me be with the other jail cells. What evidence do you guys have that it was me, that you admitted it? You literally admitted that you admitted it. You can't deny it. There, I just sacrificed myself. Now I'm a bat. But if I go into survival, I have half health, but I can fly. But I have half health. But I can fly. But if I dig, I literally cannot heal past half health. So I'll heal. I heal up. Literally cannot go past half health. Till I sacrifice into something else. So let's do Enderman. Ah, crap. Now I can heal again. Okay, this is good. Take this key. Thanks. No! No! Fungus is escaping! Everybody! No! Fungus escaped! Guys, we have to get the police cars! We need to catch Fungus! We need to catch Fungus! Get the cop car! Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Everybody, I hear they found Fungus. They found Fungus, everyone. Did you know that? They put him back in jail. They put him back in jail. Brother, why is my bro in jail? They framed him. I gave key. It's the other Fungus. Yeah, Piper, you're going into jail too for trying to help. I gotta find the right profile picture now. For trying to help, you helped Fungus escape. You're going into jail. There. You're in jail. What is this madness? No! It was me! It was me! Everybody! It was Delirious Fungus all along. It was Delirious Fungus all along. Did you know that? I can't believe it. We've been lied to this whole time. This is nuts. There. This is stupid. Okay, last, the final. We're doing a dolphin. And I will not let any more of this jail nonsense stop us. It's kind of silly, but this is not the right stream to be doing it in. This is the educational stream, everybody. Not the, it's not your average ModMonster stream, because your average ModMonster stream is really bad. There we go. We got dolphin. Dolphin. Now, if we're a dolphin, we're gonna give water breathing. So if we are a dolphin, we add water breathing. Also, dolphin's grace, so that you swim faster, right? Maybe we should do conduit power and dolphin's grace. There we go. He's innocent. Bro, you're free. Now run. Freak me out, Fungus. Save me. Should we have a whole stream dedicated to this plot? Yes, we should. Yes, we should. But this is not the stream. I'm going to let everybody go for lack of evidence. There. Everybody has been freed. For because of a lack of evidence. There's not enough evidence to innocent till proven guilty, you know? Nobody here has any proof. So, you know, just saying. I freed you all. Since I wasn't here, what classes did you make? Well, this is the end of the stream, so I'm gonna go through it again. I'm gonna go over it right now. This is the final one. Honey, where's my super suit? Exactly. Okay. So, classes list. I want to test dolphin first real quick. Oh, that's sad. Oh, I can't fly because... Oh, shoot, I can't fly because I disabled that. Hold on one sec. On player tick update. Or... Wait, can I fly in spectator? No, I literally fall through the ground. Okay, so if, I want to do an or real quick. So if, current transform equals bat or game mode, if we're in game mode, creative or spectator. Okay, try this one more time. Last time. We need court. Yes, go on Discord. Proof. Proof of what? Proof of what? It was fungus. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I took this picture. This is my proof. I took this. This is Fungus's comment on, the TOTK video that this happened in. He said, where's my super suit? We need a whole stream dedicated to this. I will maybe stream like Thursday or some other weird time, and we will end this. By end this, I mean, we will once and for all figure out who did this. Okay, I'm a dolphin. I have conduit power and dolphin's grace. It's there. I can swim super fast and see underwater. And if I was in survival, I can breathe too. All right. So, as an update, we have several different classes. Bat, chicken, dolphin, and blaze. Hold on, there's one more. Enderman. All right, we're gonna recap this stream. I I have to be in it. Do like 4 p.m. or later. I will. We're gonna do it when I'm in town. I'm not sure when we'll do it, but I will community post about it. I'm gonna ask on the Discord. I will at all the parties involved, except Piper isn't here, but I'm assuming Piper doesn't really care. But Piper, speak up now. I'm going to talk to everyone involved and see what's up. Right? Okay, so survival. I'm gonna just show everybody what we did in this stream, and we'll call it. So, you place down a sacrificial murder block, and you can sacrifice things. You can sacrifice a blaze. When you sacrifice a blaze, you get fire resistance. You're immune to fire, because obviously blazes are immune to fire, right? You can shoot fireballs, set things on fire. Start forest fires if you want. I'm not your mom. Have fun. There. I started a forest fire. Amazing. Next thing you can sacrifice. Enderman. If you sacrifice an Enderman, you just gain the ability to teleport into your own forest fire. Now, I'm gonna die if I don't do this, or if I don't heal. But yeah. Obviously, there's a cooldown, and the cooldown being that you will die if you do this too much. Like, you're gonna straight up die. See? I don't know why it teleported me up. That's really cool. And if you die, you obviously lose your sacrifice, too. I didn't even intend that to happen, but you do. That's cool! Ender pearls can land on top of each other. Anyway, getting off topic. Next we have chicken. Chicken gives you speed, because chickens can run fast. I have speed. I can run faster and also slow falling. So obviously you're not going to take fall damage when you're a chicken. We have a bat. Bats are limited to 5 hearts, but they can fly. They can fly. So, I mean, honestly, that's a big plus. But obviously, you only have 5 hearts. So that's not that great. And then lastly, a dolphin. Dolphins, they can swim. They can swim, and they can see underwater. Mine blocks at full speed, I believe. Or that's not conduit power, never mind. Water breathing, and they can swim super fast. So that is... that's this whole mod. I'm going to upload this for Minecraft 1.19.4. I'm going to export it and upload the MCreator workspace as well as the actual compiled mod file into the comment section. So if anybody's interested in downloading and playing with this garbage mod that I made in about 2.5 hours, then y'all can do that. I could continuing next week, potentially. We'll see. Maybe. Probably back to regular time, 7 p.m. Eastern, rather than 1 p.m. like we did today. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe we'll continue this next week. Fungus, I could model the sacrificing block and send it to you on Discord. That would be nice, because right now I just recolored a Skull Shrieker. If you wanted to make something cool, I'll check it out. Like, I can't promise anything, obviously, but... Oh yeah, and you jump super high on it, because I thought it'd be weird if you did. So you can build a trampoline out of sacrificial murder blocks. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you everybody for watching the stream. I hope some people learned something about MCreator. We will see about holding a trial for Fungus later. But thanks for watching this video. I'm setting bats on fire for fun now. Thank you everybody for watching this episode of the MCreator making mods series. This one was a little more nuts than usual, but I could literally just keep outroing forever. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next week, 7 p.m. Eastern. We might continue with this, we might not. I'll probably post about it beforehand if we are going to continue with it. So thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good